Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So it was announced today by the Minister of Tourism that Jamaica is to see over US 2 billion in new investments from Spanish investors in 2024. Now the Minister of Tourism is in Spain for probably the largest, if it's not the largest, it's one of the largest tourism shows in the world. And he has used this opportunity to meet with some of the largest hotel developers in the world, definitely the largest ones in Spain. And three of the largest are all interested in Jamaica. They're all they all two out of three already have hotels in Jamaica, and they want to do billion-dollar expansions of their hotels. Two, Secrets is building another hotel, or the company that owns the Secrets brand is building another hotel in Jamaica. They have one in Montego Bay. Grand Palladium is actually all three other the developers have hotels in Jamaica. Grand Palladium has a hotel in Lucy in Hanover, and they're doing a billion-dollar expansion, and that's US billion-dollar expansion. And Grand Bahia, they have a hotel in Runaway Bay, and they are also doing expansion. So we have to say job well done to the Minister of Tourism. I mean, really, he has gone beyond the call of duty. So we are going to go through an article that gives more details on the $2 billion investment. And it also speaks volumes about how pleased these companies are with what's going on in Jamaica. They are clearly seeing good returns on their investment in the existing hotels to want to spend so much money, $2 billion US dollars, to build more. So definitely tourism is working for Jamaica. On the heels of the most successful participation at FITUR in Madrid, Minister of Tourism Honorable Edmund Bartlett has announced the largest Spanish investment of over $2 billion US dollars. The move will create approximately 19,000 new jobs in construction and tourism services. Minister Bartlett and his team concluded negotiations with three major Spanish hoteliers who are now in advanced stages of development approval in Jamaica for groundbreaking events this year. The projects will see luxury rooms in Lucy Hanover by Grand Palladium, housing units for tourism workers, a convention center, entertainment facilities, and golf courses, among other amenities. This is indeed a testament to the confidence our Spanish hotel partners have in the destination. As they continue to grow their businesses on the island, it will increase the economic benefits for the communities and at the national level. It simply means more jobs and more product offerings to fill the increased demand for Jamaica's tourism, said Minister of Tourism Honorable Edmund Bartlett. For Bahia Principal in Runaway Bay St. Anne, led by Spain's Pinero family, there will be two new luxury hotels and cosmopolitan villas with a residential community, fisherman village, PGA golf course, private schools, and entertainment, dozens of swimming pools and walking trails. This development will employ 12,500 workers. Luxury brand Secrets Resorts will construct several hundred rooms in Richmond St. Anne, employing 2,000 people. In July 2008, the Grand Palladium Jamaica Resort and Spa opened its doors. The initial investment amounted to $200 million, boasting 1,054 rooms across two properties. The Luxury Secrets Resorts and Spas hotel chain began its operations in 2010 with its 700 side-by-side Secrets Wild Orchid and Secret St. James brands in Montego Bay. I am also pleased that these new expansion projects have environmentally sustainable governance principles and a social development focus. Activities like farming and more community inclusivity will ensure a more sustainable approach to increasing their footprints and have social initiatives that will benefit our tourism workers, added Minister of Tourism Honorable Edmund Bartlett. The minister met with all the current investors from Spain at the Gran Melillo Placido de los in Madrid, Spain, where these investment projects were presented and confirmed. The Bartlett led a small delegation of tourism officials in Madrid, Spain, a major tourism fair with 8,000 exhibits, 130 countries represented, and over 300,000 attendees. It represents one of the largest gatherings of tourism professionals globally and is a leading fair for Latin America's receptive and issuing markets. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So I think it's safe to say Jamaica might have gotten the most out of this fair. Job well done, guys. We will keep you guys updated on all these 3 projects. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.